Today I'm going to show you how you can design a lead magnet using Canva, which you can place on your website or landing page to capture more subscribers. Now after watching this video, you will be able to design a PDF which will look exactly like this. Isn't it beautiful? I'm Nick, founder of Marketing Design Pro, a place where marketers and entrepreneurs turn to learn about design skills. And without any further delay, let's get to designing our lead magnet. We are going to create this lead magnet in just 5 simple steps. The first step is to have your content ready for your lead magnet. I already have this old PDF that I want to convert into a better looking lead magnet. Once you have your content ready, you can move to the next step, which is to pick a size for your document. On your Canva dashboard, you click on this Create a Design button, which takes you to a page with all designs you can create using Canva. Our focus right now is to create a lead magnet PDF, which is a document. Now you can see that Canva has different document options to choose from. If you are providing some kind of swipe file or something, you can go for presentation. But in this case, I'm going to go for A4 size document. Let's click on this. With our document ready, it's time for our step number 3. Choose your template. What's really cool about Canva is that they have some really beautiful templates which can be used to make your own design. We can even start designing on blank canvas using our own elements. But to keep it simple and easy, I'm going to start designing with an existing template, and usually we will end up with completely different looking design. So you don't have to worry about your PDF not looking original at all. Now when you hover over the templates, you can see that some of them have multiple pages inside them. So for example, if we click on this template, you can see that it has 3 different pages. How we are going to structure our PDF is that it will have a front cover, body, and a back cover. Let's say we like this template, but it only has the front and back cover. In this case, we can use body of some other template. You simply have to click on this template to apply it to your page. So for front cover, we will use this template. Looks pretty cool, right? Next, we will click on this Add New Page button to create a new page. Here we will add design for our lead magnet's body. For that, we have to look for some templates which has some body pages. Here's a good one. Let's see what we have here. Going back to my PDF, I have a bunch of paragraphs and bullet points. So I'm going to use these 2 pages, one with a quote. Let's click on this page and add it to my document. And then click on Add New Page again. Now I will use another page for body, which I think fits perfectly with my content. Finally, we will add back cover of our PDF. I'll use the page from same template that we used for the front page. Add new page, click on the template. Alright, here we go. Now we have the structure of your PDF ready. Here is what we are going to do in our next step. First, we will design front and back cover of our PDF. And then we will create a body, which is the main ingredient of your lead magnet. So let's jump right into step number 4, which is design your PDF. Alright, front page is probably the most important page of your lead magnet, because if people does not like your front page, they might not read rest of your lead magnet. For back page, let's say they already read your PDF, which means they are already interested in what you have to offer. So it's better to place a call to action at the end of your PDF, which makes back page or last page of your PDF super important. So let's get back to designing our front page. Name of our lead magnet is How to Sell Like a Doctor. We can change the title and text on this front page. To do that, you can click on whatever text you want to change and then just type your text. It's that simple. Let's say I want to delete this text section. To do that, I will have to click on this text area. You will see that it has both of these different text connected together. This is because they are grouped together. To disconnect them, I will click on the element and then click on ungroup. Now as they are disconnected, I just have to click on the text area I want to delete and then click on this trash icon over here. Let's change color of this page. I want to make this lighter instead of dark background. So let's change color of this background. I'll click on the background and then I'll click on this color button to change the color. Select the color of your choice. In my case, it's yellow. You can change color of any element just by clicking on the element and then selecting color of your choice. Next, I want to change color of my book title. I'll just click on the title. Then I'll click on this text color button and change the color. And I'll do same for other text elements. I find this area to be quite empty, so I would like to add some graphics over here. To do that, just go to element section, search for whatever you want. In my case, I'm looking for something related to doctors. As you can see, Canva has all icons and images related to keyword doctor. Some of them are paid and others are free to use. I'm looking for the free ones. Oh, I like this one. Let's add this to my PDF. To add, you just have to click on the image and it will be added to your doc. Now move it around and resize it as you want. We will also move this text to the left and text align the paragraph to the left. Here we go. Our front page is completed. Let's work on our back page now. On this page, I want to add something that will easily help readers of this lead magnet to connect back with me. So I want to add an about me section, links to my social media accounts, and call to action to my website. Here is how we do it. First, I'll update the text on top of this page. Next, I'll delete all this because I want to add my photo and bio over here. To place my photo, I just go to upload area, click on my already uploaded image to add it to this page. Now I will resize this image and move it to the left. Then I want to add title and description for my bio. To add title, I'll go to text area inside Canva and click on this heading element. Let's change the text on this to about Nikhil Arora. Let's move this heading to the left side of my photo. One thing to keep in mind is that you should match the font of this heading to fonts that are being used in the lead magnet. So let's see what is being used. To do that, we click on our previous text. So as you can see, it is using font called Glacial Indifference. Now we will go back to our current text and change it to Glacial Indifference by clicking on it and selecting font from here. Let's make all this text bold. Now similarly, we will add description. Just go to text panel, choose add a little bit of body text as your option, change the font and add your text. Also move this text next to your image. Then I want to add bunch of social media icons to my profile. To do that, I'll go back to my elements area and search for Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. I will add all these icons to this page and make them smaller and put them next to my photo. If you are wondering how you can align these icons perfectly, you can just select all three icons, go to position and click on middle button to make them perfectly aligned to each other. Let's add some more text and logo of my website. Finally, I want to add links to these icons and my website logo. To do that, I'll click on image and then I'll click on this link icon at the top right corner. Here we can paste your link and hit apply to connect this image to your link. I'll add links to all the images using this method. We are done with our front and back page. It's time to design body of our lead magnet. This is very simple. We just have to replace text in the canvas with text from my old PDF. And then I'll update the font family to match it up with the rest of the PDF. Finally, I will increase size of the paragraph. Next, I'll add one of the quotes from my text right here. Let's change rest of the text on this page. Now I want to change this sidebar into solid yellow color. I will click on this bar and just choose yellow color to do it. Now this page is done. Looks cool, right? Moving on to the next page, let's first replace text on this page from our PDF. Again, I'll change the bar color to yellow and replace text of my footer area by copying it from previous page. Everything else will almost be similar. We just want to create a section to add our bullet points. So here is how we do it. I will put bullet points inside this gray box. I will remove this text to add mine. To do that, I will again click on my text element. Then I will copy my bullet points here, change the color and size of the font. I'll turn my text into bullets by clicking over this list icon. And finally, I will readjust the size of the box by clicking on the box and then choosing crop from option bar. I will repeat these steps for each page until my PDF is done. To reuse any element, I have to click on the element and then click on this copy button. To duplicate the page, I will just click on this page button and then add content to these pages. Let me speed up through the process since it's all repeating tasks. Okay guys, PDF is done. Finally, I'll show you how you can export it. You just click on this download button and choose your format. You can even turn this PDF into GIF if you are paid member of Canva. For free, you can only create JPEG, PDF or PNG. I'm exporting it into a PDF. If you see some sort of pricing over here, then you probably are using some paid graphics in your lead magnet. You can just pay for it, or you can replace those graphics with free graphics inside Canva, or you can even upload your own graphics. Once everything is set, you can just click on this download button to download your PDF. Here you go guys, we have learned how to design a lead magnet using Canva. If you are designing your own lead magnet or PDF and you want to show me, you wanted to get my review on it, just DM me on my Instagram and I will make sure to get back to you. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below and I will make sure to reply it. And if you're a marketer or entrepreneur who don't have basic design skills like how to design a landing page or how to design a website, then you are going to be left behind by people who have these skills, because marketing and design fields are merging together. To learn these skills, go to marketingdesignpro.com and you will get all the resources on there. You will love it. I promise you will love it. And that's it.